In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove volume from chart in TradingView. If your chart feels a bit crowded or you just want to focus on price action, taking the volume off the screen can make things cleaner and easier to read. Volume is useful, but it doesn't have to be visible all the time, and removing it only changes what you see. It doesn't affect your data or your trades. First, look toward the bottom of your chart. You should see a separate pane with colored bars that rise and fall under each candle. That's the volume pane. Move your mouse into that pane and aim for the top left corner, where the word volume appears along with some values. As you hover near that label, a small X or a trash can icon will appear next to the word volume. If you don't see it right away, make sure your cursor is actually inside the volume pane and near the label. The icon often appears only when you hover directly over that area. Once you see the X or the trash can, click it, the entire volume pane will disappear, and your main chart will expand to use the extra space. That's it. Here is another simple way to remove volume if you prefer using the right-click menu. Move your mouse over any of the colored volume bars at the bottom. Right-click directly on a bar to bring up the context menu from the list of options. Select Remove. As soon as you click it, the volume pane closes and your chart layout becomes more spacious. If the menu that appears doesn't show Remove, you may have right-clicked on the price chart instead of the volume bars. Try again, making sure your cursor is over a bar in the lower pane. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you've resized your panes before, the volume area might be shorter than usual, but it will still be at the bottom of the chart with those same colored bars. The remove icon can look slightly different depending on your TradingView theme or updates. Sometimes it's an X, sometimes a trash can, but it does the same thing. And remember, removing volume from view is reversible. You can always bring it back later if you decide you need it again for your analysis. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.